Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a soya burger or a soya patty. It's a vegetarian recipe because there are a lot of Indians who are vegetarians and they're following the ketogenic diet, and I don't make enough recipes for them, so I'm trying my level best. I'm not a vegetarian myself, but I still enjoy eating this burger because tofu already has a meaty texture which is really filling and it gives you a good mouthfeel, especially when you're biting into it. So if you add some good flavors to it, it will pick up those flavors and it tastes really good. So I have eaten this in lettuce leaves. You can make buns and actually use it in a burger. So let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe. Before that, I have a Marathi channel which I want you guys to go watch if you follow Marathi, and subscribe to that channel. Help me out with that. Share it with your friends and family who follow Marathi. So let's go ahead and see this recipe. Here I'm taking Morgan's tofu. This is 200 grams of tofu, and if you notice, it's pretty dry. If yours is moist, you want to press it between paper napkins and then use it. To which I have added one small spring onion, only the green part, and 1 tablespoon of chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. And I'm mixing all of this together. If you notice, my tofu is flavored. So if you're using a plain tofu, you might want to add some extra salt or any extra flavoring that you'd like. To this I'm adding about half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half a teaspoon of green chili and coriander paste. If you like it more spicy, you can add more green chilies, and I'm mixing all of this together. Now to bind this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flaxseed flour. Flaxseed is healthy and it has a sticky texture to it, so bind our mixture really well. I'm mixing this together, and to this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water, which I forgot to show you. And I mixed everything properly, and you can see that it's gotten a little sticky. So we're going to make 4 parts and then make 4 patties out of it this way. So let me start my pan, and I have some coconut oil here. So I've added a tablespoon of coconut oil and I'm placing my patties in the pan. This is a cast iron pan. It's not going to take more than about 3 minutes to cook the patties. Tofu can be eaten raw, so you don't really need to cook it for long. All we're trying to do is we're trying to get a nice texture on it. You want a crispy outside and you want a chewy inside. You can flavor the tofu as you like. Sometimes I add soya sauce and garlic to this. You can even make it like meaty burgers by adding some Worcestershire sauce. So it's all up to you what you add. You can make it creamy by adding some mayonnaise to it. Try out different flavorings. Chili flakes go very well with this. Garlic powder, chili flakes, onion powder. You can even add ranch seasoning. So let me know if you try any of these different variations. It's ready on one side, and look at the color. And now our patties are ready. We're going to get it out. In the meanwhile, I'm also making a sauce for it, a quick sauce. So this is 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and some hot sauce which I have fermented at home, and half a teaspoon of mustard. You can add these as per your liking. So if you like more hot, you can add hot. And I'm going to use the sauce to assemble my burger. So what I have here is a lettuce leaf to which I've added my garlic butter. You don't have to add that. Then a slice of cheese and a couple of tomato slices and our sauce. We're going to wrap it together, and I'm going to take a bite and show it. It's really delicious. And as I said, I love the texture of tofu. It's almost like meat. I hope you guys like the recipe and you will try it out. If you do, let me know in the comments section. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description, along with the link to my Marathi channel, which is called Marathi Girl Sonal. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.